Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open the Zomato app and tap your profile icon at the top right. Wait for the profile page to load and avoid switching apps during this process. Tap Settings, then select Safety and Emergency Contacts in the menu. The Safety section handles emergency numbers and permissions for delivery and orders. Make sure you have the new emergency number ready and your phone nearby for verification. This step prevents delays and ensures you can receive any OTP or confirmation messages immediately. Tap Edit beside Emergency Contacts to change or add a phone number now. If replacing a number, tap Remove then Add Contact to avoid conflicts. Enter the new number starting with country code, for example +91 for India or +1 for the United States. Tap Send OTP or Verify to receive a confirmation code by SMS or call. Enter the code exactly as received to confirm the new emergency number. Wait for the success confirmation before proceeding to the next step. After successful verification, tap Save to store the new emergency number in your Zomato account. Confirm that the number appears in the emergency contacts list before exiting the app. Use the Test Emergency option if available, or ask a trusted contact to simulate a check to confirm functionality. If verification fails, cancel and retry the OTP process or update your phone network settings and attempt verification again. Finally, log out and log back in to ensure the change syncs across devices and sessions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.